what's up? My name is Diamond and I am back with another video. This one I am doing bright, bold cut crease. Yeah, so we're not going to make this intro long. We're going to get right into it because this is already very detailed and clearly it's a lot. So, hey guys, so we're going to get right into it because I'm sick of looking crazy. I have already primed my eye and we're going to start off with the green side first. I'm honestly a little nervous because I think I only did one green look before. So, we'll see. I did prime my eye with the PLouise in the 3 and the 0. I'll put 0 at the bottom and 3 at the top, but you can't really see it, honestly. Okay, so we'll first use the Morphe palette. This is the 35M Boss Move palette, and I'm probably going to go straight into this green color right here. And since I do have hooded eyes, we're going to go right above the crease. And we're going to really blow it out. Okay, and with a different fluffy brush, we're going to go in with the James Charles palette. We're going to go into the lighter green first, just so we can blow it out at the top, just a little bit right above that color. And just to complement that, I'm also going to dip a little bit into this NYX Ultimate palette. It's just like bright colorful one. Just going right here. Now we need to deepen this up in the crease. So we are going to deepen it with the James Charles palette again into this deep green. And we want to keep it low. Keep it very low. Using that previous brush, we're not going to add any more product. We're just going to start blending out the harsh line there at the top. And you want to hold the brush kind of low and do a little scratching. Okay, so going back into that first palette, I'm going to go into this like caca green color right here, just to deepen up the crease there. And this is a very dense brush, very small, so we could be a little bit more precise where we want to put the color. And you want to do stamping motions, okay? And for my hooded sisters, we're going right above the hood, like where my crease is. Going right above that. So it's a very, very harsh line, but that's good. We're going to blend it out. Now this brush is fluffy, but it still has some denseness to it. And that's the one that I'm using for the dark color. And this one that I'm using to kind of diffuse out my colors and use it on the lighter green is a little bit more of a fluffier brush. So keep that in mind. All right, so I'm not even gonna like dip into anything else. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out that darker color. So everybody has their way of cutting their crease. The way that I'm going to do it is that I'm going to use eye makeup remover, and I get a very small angled brush. It's very thin also. I guess not much fluff to it. So we're going to get this, and I'm using the Lancome eye makeup remover, and I'm just going to get that on the top there. It's a clean brush, by the way. I'm not going to dip this back in there once I start using it. And I'm going to wipe that on the back of my hand just to get all that excess off. Kind of just press it. And since I have hoods, I like to lean my head back a little bit. The lower the better. Clean up that excess. It's a dry Q-tip, by the way. So after I have cut the crease, I'm going in with the flat brush. And I'm going to use my PLouise in the base 0. It's just a white. Okay, so now that that crease is cut and I have put my base down, I'm gonna go with the Icy palette from Morphe. All right, and we're gonna use this green, yellowish color. And I'm gonna stamp that right on. Okay, so I'm going back in with that dense brush that I used to get that very, very dark shade. And I'm gonna use this to stamp this green shade from the James Charles palette onto my lash line. And we're just gonna stamp that as close as possible. Just for some dimension. Okay, so I primed my eye the same way that I did the first time. But to be honest, I am going to go in with the PLouise Acid Rain. This is the color Raver. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hands. So I just have a clean, fluffy brush. Just gonna blend that out a bit so there's no harsh lines and it's nice and smooth. right, so next I'm going in with the hot pink here. Also the James Charles palette. We just want to deepen this up. Okay, so now going in with the Icy palette, I'm going to go into this peachy color here and kind of just diffuse the color out. I absolutely love colorful palettes. Like, I was scared to get this because it's a bunch of pastels, but it's a nice complementary palette, so I actually do like it a lot. But yeah, what are you guys' favorite palette? Let me know in the comments. Can always use another palette, you know? Grab another dense brush, and we're gonna go in with this purplish maroony color. Has a little pink tone to it, so we're gonna rock with it. And stamping motions just to control the color. We're gonna put that right above the hood again. Keep it low. Going back in with the brush that I did the hot pink with. Don't add any more product, we're just going to blend this out. Notice how I'm holding the brush low. And this is just so that we're not putting that color, diffusing it outward. And then we're going to cut the crease again. So now that crease is cut, we're gonna hurry up and set that. We're going in with the Icy palette, this peach color here. We're not going to swipe, we're just stamping. We're going to do the rest of the face, of course, add my hair off camera. All right, guys, so we are back, and I have put my lashes on, put the wig on, and the rest of my face. So I just have to finish the under eye. And we're gonna do that with the same colors that we used before. So I'm going in with the dark color again for the pink. And we're gonna bring it out. Bring it out just enough to see it. I'm going to use this dense, fluffier brush. We're going to go in with the hotter pink. And to avoid the fallout, I'm stamping the color on. And then once most of the color is on, then I start swiping. After that, we're gonna go in with dense brush. It is small, by the way, so keep that in mind. I'm dipping a little bit into that caca green also from the other palette. Using the same lighter greens that I used on the top. Since I'm being lazy, I'm just gonna use the same fluffy brush I used before, but I'm gonna squeeze it a little bit so that I can concentrate the color. All right, and I do wanna do an inner liner. So I have a yellow one, so I'll do that for the green, and then I do have a pink one, so I'll do that for the pink. Oh, this is Marc Jacobs, the yellow. Oh, that glitters. It is really nice too, because this one, it is actually waterproof. Like, it actually stays in my waterline, which not all of them do that. And the same thing with this Colourpop one. This is the cream gel liner in the shade, let's see what the shade is, Insomniac. So honestly, if I had bottom lashes or even knew how to put them on, maybe I would do those. I think they'd be really cute with this eye look, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna throw some mascara on the bottom. There we go. And this is the Urban Decay Perversion. Perversion. Didn't even look at the name before, but that's a freaky ass name. All right, guys, so I think that is it. I don't think that I need anything else. So let me change my clothes, and yeah, let's do my little slow-mo. Ew, that's ugly dance. I don't like that. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if there's something else that you would love to see from me in the comments below.